Alright guys, I'm going to take a moment to quickly show you exactly how the Lunavio platform works in practice. Here we have the live chart for the Pepe cryptocurrency, and as you can clearly see, when we navigate over to the Lunavio platform, we need to enter the settings menu. From there, we first select the crypto intelligence option, and then we proceed to enable the auto trading feature. That's right. And now, of course, first we need to add our deposit here. Select which deposit we want to use for this strategy, right? So first, we should have some funds on the exchange. I think I have mine on the futures account. I'll check how much I have on the futures account. I think I had about $200 there yesterday. Today I have a bit more because I earned some, but I have $200 on the futures account. So I transferred from spot to futures, and now here I can enter the amount I want to trade with, right? So if I have $200 on the futures account on the exchange, I also enter 200 here. I activate it here, right? And now, of course, before that, you still need to connect here via API, but there are already video instructions for that. If you click here, you'll see a video tutorial. You click to add a coin and set up a strategy. At the moment, I have the Saturn V strategy set up, but it's slightly modified by me. Let me show you its settings now. When I go into the edit mode right here, I have it set up so that I'm currently trading on a 15-minute time interval. If the market price of this specific cryptocurrency, in this case Pepe, goes almost 1 full percent or exactly 0.9% above the upper Bollinger Band, let me show you just a second. We'll go into Pepe Futures and let's expand it. We'll open a big window, just like here. This was the first setup. When the price goes at least 0.9% above the upper Bollinger Band, a short position is opened for me. Look here, 0.9 short. Oh, and at the same time, the RSI for shorts must be greater than 75 and for longs less than 25. So here this condition was met because the price went up, the RSI was high, I think it was 77. So the condition was fulfilled, and that's when it opened a short position for me. But I still had the settings so that if the price kept rising, meaning I would be in the red, I would be losing money for a while, then it should add to that position. The first entry was $300, the second entry is $500, but if the price increases by 5%, so as you can see here was the first entry, the price went up by about 5%, then my first averaging kicked in, the second entry, right? And now let's see, I'll show you this further. Here's the second entry, but then if the price goes up another 5%, I get another entry for $1,000. Take a look. Here was the second entry, and then the price went up. Now, I think this morning by another 5%, so my third entry was triggered. So it's like this. Here was entry 1, here was entry 2, and here was entry 3. And now, for each entry, I had an automatic take profit set. So if the first entry, the first position was triggered here, that's entry 1, and the price moved in the right direction by 0.8%, then the position would automatically close. After this, after the third entry here, as it is for me, the price had to drop by 2%, meaning it had to move in the right direction, the one I want, by 2%. The system automatically closed the position then, so look at this. Here were 3 entries, and from the average price was right here. Yes. Wait, let's draw it differently. Somewhere here was my average entry price from all 3 entries, and the price dropped from there by 2%. It was actually somewhere around here. And then the system automatically closed it for me. So here it was once, twice, 3 times. The price dropped, so I was in profit on my shorts, and the system closed it for me. I did nothing. I was sleeping, I woke up, and it had closed automatically. And now, if we go into the history, look here. You see, this is that Pepe transaction from when I entered, right? It shows when it was opened, when it was closed, exactly what the fee was, and how much I actually earned. $40. Even if I click here on Pepe, it will open a chart like this for me on Lunavio. Exactly this. Oh, and look here. Here's how it was. Here I had the average price. Wait, one more time. Here was the first short entry, then the second, then the third. Here was the average price of all these entries, and that's where it caught my take profit, right? So here the system closed it automatically. I didn't have to do anything. That's it. And now this system keeps tracking, the Lunavio system tracks all the coins. Wait, I'll just go back. I'll go back here to settings. It tracks all these coins, and whenever something happens where the conditions are favorable to enter a long or short position, the position will open for me. Even right now I have several positions open. Wait, oh, Chainlink, Doge, and Avalanche are open. If I go into positions here, now you can see here, oh, where I entered. At the moment, on these pairs, I'm at -$2, -5, -3. But if they turn positive, the system will automatically close them for me as well. If you click the link in the description, you'll go to a page where you'll have shortcuts to all of them. Wait, not here. Where do we have it? It will be this page here. Oh, here on this page, you'll see all the videos. To start trading with Lunavio, you need to create an account on Lunavio and on the Bitlinux exchange. And here you have a step-by-step guide on how to get started. 2 more professional videos will be added here, but that might be in a week or 2. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, those videos are already here. And I also invite you to join the Telegram group if you have any questions. Here, if you click on Telegram after logging into Lunavio, I'll show you there. It will take you to a page where you can join the group. Just a second. Oh, it will be right here. Just click and you will already be in the group. Well, that's all. Take care. See you tomorrow.